Hey guys, welcome back to my video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of some phone lots I picked up on eBay. We'll start off with this one here. So let's see here. So these are actually all the same phones. Let me open these ones up. Seen these posted on eBay. They were posted for a little bit, so I then just had to snatch them up here. It's a Motorola Krzr K1C, if I remember right. Yep, K1C, and they're all four the same. And I don't know if these are like prototypes or what, with the numbers they have on them. They all have different numbers on them. I'm guessing they're probably dead. But they do look pretty good condition-wise. This one, the keypad's really, I guess they're all kind of reflective. This one's still got the wrapper on it. The little covers on the sides. Guessing they're all probably dead. Well, there's those four. Like I said, they're all four the same. Here we got I don't remember which one this one is, to be honest with you. I think one of these lots came from a Cardi, and the other two came from eBay, if I remember right. Here's the first phone. Camera number off the top of my head on the model on this one. Actually, it's probably on the bottom here. Model number XT1789-01. Oh, it's actually got charge in it. Very light. Here it is compared to my 13 Pro Max. It's pretty thin compared to it.
Hello, Moto.
And then my Note 20 Ultra. Let's say it's almost close to the Note 20. But it's probably locked, it looks like. Oh, maybe not. Look at there. Should be pretty easy to get reset. Move on to the next one here. Krzr on Verizon. Alright, key actually over here. It doesn't seem like it wants to there we go. Unlock. It's definitely on there pretty tight. Krzr E4520 does have an SD card in it. 4 GB. Does also have a SIM card still. Let's see if it has any charge. It does not. Pretty decent shape, minus the scratches up here. It looks like it's still got the protective film over the screen. Here's a Motorola rocker. And Z6M, I'm guessing. Oh, it's a world phone, so it's Z6C. So it does have a SIM card slot. I have probably 1,000 of these. Which I am going to start posting phones on my eBay. So I will post my eBay channel probably on my description, so I can kind of get rid of some of these that I already have. This is in really good shape. I gotta get rid of some of my duplicate devices so I can make room for other ones. Samsung Blackjack, I think, with the extended battery. SGH i607 has a singular SIM card in it. It is on singular. Power button's up here actually. It is dead. A lot of the phones that I buy with proprietary chargers are usually dead because people usually don't have the chargers for them anymore. Here is one of the reasons I bought the lot was this phone here. LG F9100 singular. Looks as a replacement battery that's kind of swollen. It's probably going to be dead, being a proprietary charger too. It is. There's a slider phone. It's kind of tape on the back. Very interesting though. But yeah, I've never seen one of these, so I ended up seeing it on the lot, so I decided to get the whole lot for it, and I wanted that Motorola down here. Here's the LG chocolate. I think it's a 2, I think. I can't remember, I always get my chocolates confused. The VX8500 in red on Verizon. Looks to be in really good shape. The screen's not really scratched up all that bad. It is dead though. Here's a few. I have a few of these Nokias as well. 6030. This is one of those antenna boosters from back in the day. And it's probably going to be dead as well. Yep, and I think that's all for that one. And the last one is, let me see if I can cover up a lot of the information. This was shipped, right there is a shipping label, in a Pop-Tart box with the label just taped on the other side. So it's probably the most interesting one I've ever received, shipped like. I think that's pretty much it. So here we go. It's a lot of Motorola Razrs. Now I really don't know why I bought this, considering I have 1,000 Razrs. First one he had, no battery. I did buy it for the Sprint one though, because I did like the Sprint one. I don't think I have a gray one. V3M, water damaged, no SD card, no battery. I would say cracked camera lens, in decent shape. That's one of the little rubber stoppers. Here we have a V3M, I'm guessing, on Verizon. No SD card, water damaged, and no battery as well. The camera lens is falling off of this one. That's cool. Keypad's definitely yellowed. Has both the stoppers though. Here is a V3. I'm guessing this looks to be some kind of refurb. Alright, so a Chinese sticker inside on the board. It's definitely not supposed to be there. This sticker's not supposed to be there, which I was figuring this one and this one. This one definitely was, because it has the that's not like a metal piece, so I was kind of assuming this one was going to be refurb, but It looks to be pretty good shape. I'm guessing like I said, being a refurb, probably Y or one of those Chinese clone ones. Here's another one. This is a V3 Edge. I'm guessing because it runs Edge. I don't think that one looks very original either, to be honest. Something about it looks different. Let's grab one of these original looking ones. Interesting, but there it is. This one has a plastic battery cover, and this one is a metal. But this could be just a different model of V3. Looks like it has a cracked screen. Now it's really cracked. Whoops. It looks like, I don't know if it's glued, like they tried to glue it. That's what I was trying to push, see if they glued it back or something. But definitely a parts phone. The camera got some scratched on. It's not cracked though, but got some wear on the keypad, it looks like. Definitely starting to turn yellow in some areas. Screen's got some wear from the keypad on it. These two are probably going to be parts phones. Then we have a non-branded battery cover or V3M with some generic logoing on the label. Don't think this is this one might just be a refurb, actual refurb. These ones might be clones. I've never seen them redo the Motorola sticker. That's what makes me think it's maybe an actual refurbished one from them. I don't know. It's got a Phillips screw in there. I've never seen a Razr with a Phillips headed screw. They're always always a Torx head. It's got two of them. That's kind of different too. It looks like all the ones I have just have one. So this is a V3M. Let's grab another V3. I guess it's got two of them. Let's see, they're Torx. Well, I will have to do an update video. I need to do an update video on the rest of the phones I've received. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.